In this quick tutorial, we will show you how to fix a broken tilt lock on your Herman Miller Aeron Remastered. Before we start, we are constantly creating and producing new exclusive tutorials, tips and tricks, and in-depth reviews, so please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Start off by removing the tilt lock completely from the chair. You may have to apply some force to remove it. Note how the bar is bent, so you need to straighten it. Once the bar is completely straight, insert the new rear tilt knobs. Now you need to insert the tilt lock into the chair. Let's zoom in to see it closely. This is the rear tilt knob. It should be inserted into the chair until it clicks. Note how you should turn it when you insert it. Now, insert the bar with the forward tilt knob inside the rear tilt knob and hammer it gently, preferably with a rubber hammer to secure it. Once the tilt lock is completely in, test it by turning it constantly. You should start hearing the tilt lock clicking. You can also try to apply some pressure on the chair as shown to ensure that the tilt lock is secured in its place. Please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and in-depth reviews.